Hello to the Stockhead faithful, good to be back with you again. This week we'll be talking about another WA gold developer. On metals markets, plenty of volatility obviously on the back of the cattle mine shutdown. Lithium spodumene prices spiked over 1,000. We saw Liontown and Pilbara, some of the other explorers and developers respond with pretty sharp price rises. Fairly good news out of the EV sector. Outputs reached new highs, up just under 20% year on year. UBS are forecasting a deficit of about 260,000 tonnes of LC by 2029. So I think lithium prices did hit their bottom earlier this year. Economic data out of China has been pretty soft. Property starts down 19.5% year on year. Property sales down 5% year on year. That has been countered by a 300 billion inventory purchase by the Chinese government, so pretty strong stimulatory measure there. Not great numbers coming out of China, but gold's been holding up. Copper, after recent highs, has started to tick up again, despite the fact that the tariffs aren't going to be applied on copper imports. On to the stock of the week. HTM, High Tech Metals, recently completed the acquisition of the Mount Fisher and Mount Eureka gold projects from gold developer Rox Resources Limited. It's a 1,150 square K package, around 500 kilometres northeast of Perth and about 120 k's east of Wiluna. Not significant resources, but what is important is there are a number of operating plants in the vicinity of the Mount Fisher project, including the Bangara plant operated by Emerald Resources. Going out 100 kilometres, you've got Bronze Ring, Darlow, Millrose, Jundee and Wiluna, so plenty of treatment options. On the 19th of August, HTM executed a non-binding MOU with listed mining services company SSH Mining to advance the Mount Fisher Gold project. SSH would take over all the mine planning, permitting, basically deliver the project for a profit share. Good news is that HTM won't be required to contribute any money if it executes this agreement. They're sitting on around 3 million in cash with a market cap of 12 million. So the initial resource is about 1.9 million tonnes at 2 grams. So that's a pretty good grade in the current gold environment, about 124,000 ounces of gold. Significantly, I think this will unlock, well in excess of 15 or 20 million, I think, over time for HTM, which will enable it to go and fully explore the balance of its tenements. So Ragnar Metals recently took a placement in the company and appointed Tyler Formica. The company's chaired by Charles Thomas from GTT Ventures, the stockbroking company. So all in all, company's in pretty good shape. I see the stock's moved up significantly from 15 cents to mid-20s since they completed that placement. So certainly one to watch, and plenty of exploration upside at that Mount Fisher project. That's all for this week. I look forward to talking again next week.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.